In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Form responses to a CSV file. This is a skill that can be incredibly useful if you've gathered responses using Google Forms and want to analyze or share that data in a format that's accessible and easy to manage. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a simple text format that can be used with nearly any spreadsheet, database, or analytics tool available today. So let's get started on how to quickly and reliably get your form responses into a clean CSV file. First, you'll want to open your Google form. You can do this by accessing your Google Drive or going directly to the Forms homepage. Once you're there, simply select the form that you want to export. Make sure it's the right one, especially if you manage several different forms. We will be exporting the responses attached to the specific form you're working on, so it's crucial to make the right selection. Once you've got your form open, look towards the top of the form editor. You'll see several tabs there. The one you want to click on is the Responses tab. It's usually centered along the top bar next to Questions and Settings. The Responses tab is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find a summary of your responses, individual submissions you can review, and most importantly, a shortcut to link your form directly to a Google spreadsheet. So go ahead and click that little green Google Sheets icon, which looks like a small spreadsheet. After clicking it, you'll be prompted with two options. You can either create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. If this is your first time exporting responses and you want everything housed in a new file, go ahead and choose the option to create a new spreadsheet. On the flip side, if you already have a Google Sheet where you'd like these responses to be stored, perhaps a master tracking document, then select that existing spreadsheet. Keep in mind, regardless of which option you choose, the responses will automatically link to a specific sheet within Google Sheets. By default, that sheet is named Form Responses 1. This is where all new submissions will feed into, updating automatically as responses come in. Once you've made your selection, it's time to open the linked Google Sheet. Usually, it should automatically open in a new tab for you. If it doesn't pop up right away, don't worry. You can always click the link again from the Responses tab to jump directly to it. Now that you're looking at your Google Sheet, take a moment to ensure that everything looks right. Check to confirm that the columns and rows align with your form's questions and answers. You'll notice that each row represents a submission, and that the first column typically shows a timestamp of when the response was submitted, unless you've disabled that feature. Now let's move on to exporting this data as a CSV file.